Hey y'all, it's Nakhia K. So today I'm gonna be doing a little makeup tutorial for y'all. I have never tried brown clusters before, but I really like these, and so I got this idea where I want to do a little Victoria's Secret model inspired look. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. But I do have some pictures for reference. Yeah, so those are the inspirations I'm gonna pull from every last one of them. But I know one of the key things that I really want to do is that bright inner corner that they do in that highlight. So just stay tuned. They normally have a very dewy base, so I'm going in with my Tatcha. Oh my gosh, I'm going in with my Tatcha dewy cream, and I'm just putting that all around my nose because lately I've been breaking out and my eczema has been so bad. I only have really oily skin, so I don't want to put too much of this because I don't want it to just look super sweaty, even though I like looking like that. But I'm gonna go in with my NYX Primer to get rid of like all that shine. So yeah, I'm going my NYX Primer. Okay, I'm gonna mix this all in. Because I also, when I did my skin prep, I washed my face with the Tatcha rice wash. And normally that rice wash makes me so oily. And that's what we want, because I want to look dewy. Because I feel like their makeup always looks like shiny and just like, you know, just so shiny. And it just almost looks like they have like perfect flawless skin. I swear by my Fluff and Fix Brow Wax by Sephora. I love this brow wax. And then I'm gonna just go in with my e.l.f. on top of that. When you do your eyebrows, it's always good to mix this like all through your eyebrow because you want it to hold. Brush them, and I feel like they have like perfect like airbrushed eyebrows, so I'm not gonna do anything too sharp, and my eyebrows are pretty thick already, so I'm not gonna go in and like fill them. I'm just gonna give them like a laminated waxed look. Y'all, and if this don't come out the way that I'm envisioning, I'm gonna be so sick. Oh my god, I need to plug my. And I swear, one eyebrow always gives me a hard time. And it's always this one. It always gives me a hard time. Yeah, so now that we have the brow sculpted, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty skin tint, my Eaze drop in the shade 20. Okay. Because I want like an airbrushed look. So yeah, just put my Fenty skin tint on. I'm gonna go in with my brush. And I love this skin tint. It gives us just like a airbrushed look. Oh, and this is like perfect for what I'm going for. Because I definitely need like an airbrushed skin look. And I'm gonna go on my other brush. This brush, I love this brush. It's like a beauty blender. Just to make sure it really goes into my skin. Do like buffing motion. Blender. Going with my concealer, and I'm gonna put a dot here, 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 And when I place my concealer, I usually put it really close in my corner here, and then around the outside of my eye, I don't put it as close to my under eye because I want to be able to blend it up. And then I'm gonna go down my nose because I want it to highlight there, and also have like a bit of highlight here on their cupid's bow, and I also want to put some here. Okay. And then I'm gonna put a little here. I know this probably looks crazy, but trust me, please. So while I place my concealer, I go in my setting spray, and I'm gonna go in. This is my favorite spray, as y'all can tell. It's time for me to get another one. But my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Filter Spray. Okay, so I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna spray that. I am committed to this look. I really have my reference put up on my laptop. We're doing this. We're on a good track. So while that's sitting, very subtle cream. I'm gonna go on my cream brush now since I'm doing all my liquid products, and this is the Haus Labs Glassy Pitaya. Okay, and I'm only gonna apply a little bit of this because I don't want to apply too much because this color is very pigmented, and I want to go for like a soft brush.
My new bitch look like Tilbury, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down.
Okay, and now I'm blending out my concealer. And I'm making sure I bring it into my inner corner because I want that bright inner corner. And I'm actually gonna bring it all the way up here on my lids as well, because I want that bright under eye, that bright inner corner. So I know I look scary. And with my loose powder, my Fit Me Medium Deep 30, my powder. And I'm just putting that powder everywhere. I put that concealer because I don't want it to be creasing. Now I'm gonna go in and add some color back. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Coco Naughty, my Fenty bronzer. I love this bronzer. It's like the perfect shade. And also, I don't know why I stopped talking. I think I got too focused. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do a voiceover for the rest of this video and the clips that I wasn't talking that I need to explain.
I need to get the fuck on my space. Basement's not the way we don't play. Can't be
so now I'm going to go in my setting spray just to rehydrate my makeup and bring back some of that moisture. Okay, and so now that I've rehydrated my makeup, I'm going to go in with my brush and just pat in all my makeup just to make sure it's really set. Okay, now I'm taking a beauty blender just to blend in my makeup, and blending your makeup is really, really important. That's why I blend with the brush and then I go in with my beauty blender. And now I'm going to go in with my Camo e.l.f. blush in the shade Coming In Hot, and I'm going to just use that. And I just use that to give myself a very subtle pink, soft pink blush.
Oh, this is look cute. Okay. Oh, but that's a lot.
Only been days, but it felt like months. When we gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you doing what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me. And here I forgot to include, I was going in with my Milani Baked blush. I can't remember the shade, but I'll definitely have it in the description box below. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no baby. In the meantime, it's some me time. Okay, here I'm going in with my lip liners. I'm going in with my e.l.f. lip liner, Spill the Tea, and I'm making a brown base. And then I'm going to go on top of that with my One Size coin collector. And I'm going to overline just a tad bit because I already have big lips, so I don't want to do too much. And then I'm going to go inside of that coin collector where I put the coin collector. I'm going inside of that with my Spill the Tea e.l.f. liner just to bring some of that brown back so it's not too harsh. And then I'm going to buff it out.
Clearly a lot for me to take in, it don't make sense. Young East African girl, too busy fucking with your other man. I was trying to put you on game, but you on a plane, take you and your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day, when you figure out you're gonna need someone. When you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice, poetic justice. You were so new to this life, but goddamn, you got adjusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to the fun sex, your natural hair and your soft skin and your big ass and that sundress. Ooh, good God, what you doing that walk for? When I see that thing move, I just wish we would fight less and we would talk more. They say communication, save relate.
One Size coin collector, that is my favorite lip liner. It works so good.
Take you and your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day. When you figure out you're gonna need someone. When you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice, poetic justice. You were so new to this life, but goddamn, you got adjusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to the fun sex, your natural hair and your soft skin and your big ass and that sundress. Ooh, good God, what you doing that?
Okay, so now I'm going in with my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Ginger Snap, and that just gives me like a dark brown base because I'm going to go in with the lighter brown, and that's going to be my Laneige Sugar Glaze, and I'm going to top that off as my top coat, and it just gives it like a contrast. And because I don't want a bold lip combo, I won't put any bright or too dark colors. Most Victoria's Secret models, they have very natural lip combos, so I don't want anything too crazy.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Big felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the bodies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Rad, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the vibe, billing out. So dog, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Gabby, Stacy, Yuki. All of the Barbies is pretty.
Okay, now I'm going in with my e.l.f. eyeliner, and this is the shade Brownie Points. And I've never tried a brown eyeliner. I've always wanted to,
Oh, this is
but I
cute.
really love this
What the
brown. This
freak?
brown almost had like a reddish tint to it, but it was like a really pretty shade. It was I would hardly say it had, like, it was just a hue of red, but it was a really, really brown color that really went so well. I'm so glad that I put it on because I feel like it gave like a little subtle, like a subtle brown. I'm really glad I chose it because it really complemented those brown lashes and my eyes as well. And the highlight, it really, really brought it all together.
The Barbies is bad, it girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse? What they gon' say now? I'm watching these bitches, I'm up in a stay now. Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, don't let me go find me a pen.
Okay, y'all, so this is a finished look, and I'm really excited. It came out really good, and I really love this highlighter, and the inner corners are really good too. But yeah, just let me know if y'all have any comments or anything like that. Just let me know down below. Thank y'all. Bye.